Okay, that's cool. Thank you for the feedback. I like it that at least what I'm doing is giving you something that makes an impact today, and you can go and
Yeah.
use it instead
Yeah.
of it's just random info, you know. And
Mm.
how did your breakthrough challenge work out for you? What was your experience on the breakthrough challenge?
It helped me, It helped me a lot because on that challenge, I put in the goal to teach my daughters to learn to drive.
Nice.
So yes, so then what I did then is like I broke it down as to how I was gonna do it, and then so we for the whole month we actually worked on them just driving a little bit every day. So like when I get from home from work, then we jump into the car and we go and they drive around for a while. So it,
Awesome.
yeah,
Awesome.
and I wasn't gonna do it on a daily basis. I was gonna do it like, do you feel like driving? No. So we actually made it. Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing. I'm so happy to hear that.